Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at finding the common ratio. So we talked about a previous video, found the common difference. In this video, we're going to find the common ratio in a geometric sequence. So let's take a look. So here it says find the common ratio of the geometric sequence, -2, 6, and -18. So first thing I want to do is identify what the terms are. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So in order to find the common difference, what you want to do is do the second term divided by the first, and do the third term divided by the second. So the second term here is 6, and the first term is -2. So we'll divide those. 6 divided by -2 equals -3. Alright, then we're going to do the third divided by the second. -18 divided by 6, and we do that, and you get -18 divided by 6 is equal to -3. So I get -3 on both examples here, proving that it's a geometric sequence and that the common ratio is -3. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. Okay, find the common ratio of the geometric sequence. -2, -10, -40, and -160. Okay, and basically what I'm trying to find out is what's being multiplied and to make it go up. Like, what am I multiplying the 10 by to get -40? What am I multiplying the -40 by to get -160? So, but you keep the same rules here. You go to you got the first, the second, and the third term. We're going to do the second term divided by the first. So in this case, it's going to be -40 divided by -10. Okay, and when we do that, we get 4. Now, just to make sure that the common ratio is 4, we're going to do the third term divided by the second, -160 divided by -40, and it gives us 4 too. So the common ratio in this case is 4. And that's it. That is how you find the common ratio of a geometric sequence. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.